All right, so this is the drag and drop pH scale. So on the pH scale, we have in the middle, neutral. All right, so neutral pH, pH of 7, has equal numbers of OH minus, which is a base, and H plus. So if you have the equal numbers of those in a solution, it's neutral. So all your bases are OH minus. So the more you have of those, the more basic it is. So we're talking about ammonia and drain cleaner. And the more H's you have, H plus, or sometimes H3O, so it's water plus an extra hydrogen in water solutions, the more acid it is. So you have combinations of both. So you might have lots of H pluses and very few OH minuses. In this particular case, you might have in the base, you might have an H, some H's, H pluses in there, but lots and lots of OH minuses. So let's do the drag and drop here. That's a little bit of information that we've given you. All right, so basic is this side of the scale, greater than 7 up to 14. Acidic is less than 7 to 0. So a strong acid would be at the ends of those, so 3 to 0, so the stronger they are, right? A weak acid would be between a little more than 7 to about 3.5. A weak base would be here, it's a little greater than 7, and a strong base here. So when we look at this, if we were to draw our arrows in here, so as we go from greater than 7, it gets stronger. Okay. And so if we get, oops, I'm going to draw on this. If we go this direction on the acid side, it gets stronger. So the arrows are pointing out directions away from each other. So from the 7, moving to the left, it gets stronger. And from the 7, moving to the right, it gets stronger.